First off, thank you, YouTube. 799 subscribers at the moment of this video. I thank you so much. What a blessing to let me come into your home. Oh my gosh. According to analytics, in the month of September, I came into your home over 50,000 times. Oh, praise the Lord. Just remember, I love what I do, and because of that, I love making these videos about solar screens, how to build your own, the benefits, all of the beauty that comes with this easy product. My gosh. What an amazing product. Thank you again so much to the 799 current subscribers. Yes, I am aiming for that one big 1,000. Oh, I can't wait. You guys be blessed, and please share us with your friends, your family. Tell them to like us, subscribe to us, follow us. Ask all of the questions they can even think of when it comes to this industry, window screens, solar screens, and pet screens. I'm pretty sure I've got you covered. You guys be blessed, and again, thank you so much for allowing me to come into your home each and every day.